So how can we play back the recorded video on cell phone? Because this motorcycle dash camera has no screen, no Wi-Fi, no apps. So how can we play back the recorded video anytime, anywhere on cell phone? We use an OTG function, SD card reader. Okay, let me show you. Take out the SD card and insert into the SD card reader and plug into the cell phone. Okay, and we find the file here. Here we can see the U disk is coming. Get into the SD card folder. Find the video recorded folder. Here has two folders. Front camera, rear camera. Okay, anyone. We play back. Play back. You can play back anytime, anywhere, if you want. Just use this SD card reader. Look, very fast. Here, video quality is good. You can see the car number clearly. Okay, that's all. Just use this SD card reader with cell phone.